This is No BS Reviews, and today this is a video on installation and review of these, what are they called? BENLARI 1157 LED bulbs. First I want to compare them to the Rogue Rider Industries SigZ bulbs. They're very similar. These are the rear ones, but the front ones are pretty much the same, just different color, because these will be white and yellow as opposed to the back ones, which just are black. But so that's what they look like right now. I think these are like 70 bucks or something like that, but the black label are like 90 or something like that. These are only like 35 for the 4 bulbs on Amazon. So they're very similar in everything, like the configuration, you know, how they're all set up and everything like that. You know, there's 6 little LEDs on the ends, on the center circle, 1 in the middle, pretty much the same amount. What's different about them is this, and these like how you actually put them into the housing are different. These are actually pretty solid, the ones on the Rogue Rider ones. They're really nice. I really like these. And these are, you know, just the very cheap ones, but they do have the little black tab on the back, so you can actually twist them. So yeah, to install them, you know, usually there's a little tab on the bottom of these the plastic housing or the lens. So you just take it off. Very simple. Okay. Like that, and then just twist them back. Just put it in, twist, and it's done. Now these are gonna come with this little styrofoam sticker thing. So just take off this outer circle. This is on a 2017 Rogue Rider Special. I didn't say that before, but yeah. So then you just put that little sticker. It's double-sided tape on both, on the lens. I mean, on the actual LED. Just stick it in there. Just that holds, and then you just grab your lens again. I didn't use the ones that it came with. I have the smoked ones. They look like that. Let me see. They come covered in this plastic, you know, to protect them and stuff. But I like having the clear ones on there. I feel like it defeats the purpose of having bright LEDs and using a dark lens. So then, yeah, just put this in there, and then just press this into place. Just like that. So that little ring is gonna hold it's gonna make like a little cushion, I guess, for the tabs on this lens, so it doesn't vibrate or anything, and then it's nice and even. Yeah. So it's very simple. It doesn't take long. They're super bright. I really like them because they are, I think it's what they're called, is a switchback or whatever. So they're constantly white, and then as soon as you put your turn signal on, or while you're like the warning lights or whatever, it'll flash white. It'll be constantly white and then flash yellow, but at the same time go back to white. So there's constantly light. So here, I'll show you guys how it looks. Can't really tell right now, but they're ridiculously bright. So I'm going to put the hazards with it. So you're constantly getting light. Let's see if and then there's like quick response time. There's no lag. So it'll turn yellow, and then as soon as you turn it off, they're just white again. So yeah, I mean, they're really nice. And compared to my Rogue Rider Industry ones, Like you can see here on the back of the thing, these were manufactured back in 2020. And they only lasted about 3 years. One of them went out at the beginning of this year, in 2023, so. And this kit comes with these. I think these are for pancake style bulbs or whatever. I think they're a little harder, so maybe they are. And then if you need these for that, I guess, with the smoked lens. And then these are for the back. But I already had some, and they're really good, so I don't really need these. The only thing that I have seen with these Chinese lights is these 2 contact points. See if we can focus a bit. Is sometimes they just have too much like solder on them, so it gets really hard to put them into the socket. So what you usually just do is just grind it down a bit. See, like these have like barely on there. Like they barely have any on there. It's not raised at all. And these, you can obviously see that. Sorry, it's not focusing that much, but yeah, and these bulge out. Damn it. So yeah, just file them down. It's just solder. So you just give them a quick little file down, and that should be good when you put them back into the place. Yeah, it's just a quick little video on these BENLARI 1157 LED bulbs. I think they're like 35. Yeah, like 35 bucks on Amazon right now for all 4. That's not bad. Here's a quick shot of the beast. Looking great. All right.